What's the meaning of computer? Computer. Computer.
Computer. Computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive, process, store and output data. It operates by executing logical and arithmetic operations on the input data, which may come from various sources such as keyboards, mice, sensors, and storage devices. Computers have revolutionized many industries by increasing efficiency and speed, and enabling the creation of complex systems and models. They are widely used for tasks such as word processing, data analysis, gaming, video editing, and communication. Overall, computers play a crucial role in modern society and are constantly evolving to meet new demands.